All right, so we're going to look at how to divide a decimal divided by a whole number using the 10 by 10 grids. So your first step is going to be to section off your grid based off of your first number. So we have 2100, so I'm going to section off the 2100s that we have. Doo-doo. All right, so I have my 2/10 and my 100. So that's a total of 2100s. And now we're dividing it by 3 wholes. So that means we're going to use 3 colors to be able to evenly divide up this area. So you literally could, if you wanted to, take 3 colors and go 1, switch the color, and then you could keep that pattern going over and over again until you end up getting once it's all filled, and then you would answer your question by looking at one color and finding out how much you had of that one color. But that will take a while, but that will work. So another thing that you can do is think, I have a total of 2100s, and I know that 21 divided by 3 is going to be 7. So I know that I should be able to color 700s in each color. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I see that I was equally able to color 700s. So that's my answer. It is 700s. We have to make sure we put the 7 in the hundreds place for it to represent 700s. But that's the same answer that you would have gotten if you would have did red, yellow, green, red, yellow, green, red, yellow, green, and then you would have picked a color like red and counted how many hundreds you colored in red. You would have ended up counting 7. All right, let's look at how we can use the base 10 blocks to do that same problem. So we're first going to pull out our 2100. So that's 2/10 and 100th. And now we're putting it into 3 groups. Here's my 3 groups. So I see I don't have 3/10 and I don't have 300. So I know I have to do some trading before I can actually divide them into groups. So I'm going to trade in this 10th for 10/100, 100, 200, and I'm putting them in the groups: 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 10/100. And I put that 10th one there because I didn't have enough to give each group another one. So now I have to trade this 10th in for 10/100 again: 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 10/100. And now I see that what I have left is 300, so I can give each group one more. And when I count what's in one group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 700s, which is what we got the first time.